are back inside the C8R. It's been a while. Been doing a lot of traveling lately, going to the racetrack, but it feels good being back down south in SoCal. And we've got some stellar news, that being the Z06 is landing at even more dealerships close to me, which is very exciting because the wait's been so long, hasn't it? So you know what, I had to hop inside the C8R to go check this out. Also, I'm making this video because we have something very exciting and big in the news right now with Chevrolet. The Z06, it's coming. And with the latest news, I think it's finally safe to say that the Z06 pricing is going to be coming out any day now. And let me explain to you why. There's nothing like a pushrod V8 in a mid-engine car. It's very strange when you thoroughly think about it deep down. It's like, oh my gosh, it's a mid-engine. It's got a traditional American V8 in it. Like, what? But the new Z06 is going to be definitely more to my liking because I miss my GT 350R so much with the flat plane crank. And having the McLaren, it's a flat plane crank as well, but it's twin turboed. This is gonna be all motor, so you have all of the freedom of listening to the engine itself. Last time I saw it, the people driving it or moving it around were very like, oh no, we're not gonna rev it, we're gonna put it in quiet mode as soon as we start the vehicle because we don't want to get in trouble by the bosses. But come on, you gotta give people a small hint at what this vehicle is all about if you want to truly sell them. That's what the goal is. That's what the plan is, right? Here we are. We have made it to the Chevrolet dealership that I believe has the new C8 Z06 on display. So let's pull on in and try to find a good spot. Front lift is going up. All the spots seem taken. Is that another C8R? Oh, it could be. Let's see. Nah, close. Let's hop inside. Got the C8R back in the sun. I don't know, maybe yellow again for a Z06, not sure yet. So here's the deal. Here's how you know if a C8 Corvette is coming by your dealership, other than finding out by the dealer themselves, right? If you see this trailer on the road, that's what I saw. I got the indication of, oh wait, what is this trailer doing here in this general city? There's only one cause for that, right? That being the C8 Z06 is coming to display over here at this Chevrolet dealership. Now, what's so crazy to me is that we're seeing this car go dealer to dealer, right? And we don't even have pricing out yet. So all these individuals coming in, checking out the vehicle they want to order, or they have basically on order, or they're waitlist so far, they don't know approximately how much it's going to cost. The latest in the news, though, is that Chevrolet has bumped the C8 prices by a couple $1,000s. That being the standard base price has shot up $2,300. And that means now that if you want a 1LT Corvette, not even Z51, it's gonna be $65,000. I remember back in the day, a few years back, the 2020 mid-engine Corvette was $59,995, and now it's close to $6,000 more expensive in a time span of 3 years. And honestly, there's a number of reasons why. First of which, you have inflation going on, everything is going up. Seeing the gas pump prices, you can tell right away how, well, if it's $6 a gallon now for 91 octane or close to $7, that's got to be impacting manufacturing businesses because they use gas to ship individual parts and items everywhere. It's getting very hard to get parts to manufacture vehicles. That's why we saw SONY production holds for this model year of 2022. And now we're kicking off 2023 and the Z06 hasn't even really started production yet, but the standard Corvettes are. It's been very interesting how they're going to play this out, whereas the Z06 will be built maybe later towards midway of the 2023 model year. I'm not sure. Please let me know, what do you guys think in the comment section down below. They got to start getting them built because these vehicles have a 70th anniversary logo on the windshield. Also, they have a 70th anniversary model. They've got to be built this year, right? Also, by the way, a bit off topic, what do you think about adding a rig like this to the channel, whereas we can fit the McLaren 600LT and the Z06 and transport them track to track. We can get like an insignia on one side of the Z06 like that, then on the other of the McLaren. That'll be so cool just thinking about it. And it looks pretty wide to me. That'll be my major concern with getting a trailer, is that it's got to be wide enough for us to get in and out, transport the vehicles. and get the track to track. One other thing that's kind of a bummer is that with the McLaren, you have vertical doors, so I gotta try to figure out a trailer whereas I can open the door to get out. Having a custom livery like this with carbon fiber, huge blocks all over the place. I gotta get a rig like this. Please let me know in the comment section down below, what are your thoughts of this kind of setup? To go like across country to VIR or CODA, that would be the dream. Pricing also went up for parts. That being front end lift is now like $2,600. Colored or painted calipers are about $700 now, so $200 more than they were originally. We're seeing price increases all over the spectrum, and it makes me wonder what this new Z06 will be priced at. What tier? Will a maxed out convertible be close to an exotic car or a 992 GT3? I don't know. I'm not sure, but I'm very excited to find out, because a performance bargain nonetheless. It's going to be spectacular in my honest opinion, and I think Chevrolet definitely, they know what they're doing, but it may not cost as cheap, as affordable as people may hope for. GT500 heading out. Owner is a super cool guy. He's crashing the party, trying to show off the Ford, which that's what you got to do, right? Check it out. We've got other Corvettes lining up. Z06 C7 with a crazy wrap on it, and then a C8 with track stickers right there as we speak. Very, very cool color combo. And the owner seems to have front radiator grills installed to protect the radiator from damage on track. Good idea, I think. Hopefully it doesn't restrict too much airflow though. And here we go, back inside the C8R, starting it up. I firmly believe we're going to be seeing prices very shortly. We have to, right? It's already summer of 2023. The car was revealed back in, what, October of last year. That was my gas light. Got to get some gas. Good old $6 to $7 91 octane. Should I wait in the 1 hour long Costco line? I don't know. I'll just give you guys a quick poll just for a good farewell sake for the video. It's not the loudest thing out there. It sounds good, but the Z06, hey, it's gonna solve all our problems when it comes to sound. If you want more noise, the Z06 is gonna be the car to get. If they've updated pricing for a 2023 Corvette, pricing for Z06s should be coming out very shortly. Stay tuned for that. Get ready, get primed to plug in your order, because orders got to be going in soon to fit into the 2023 model year lineup. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button to help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'm already sweating. It's getting really hot outside. Better put on the cooled seats and a cold AC and get off the camera. I'll see all of you in the next episode.